Hello guys, welcome to another question set of the DBMS question series. So in previous video, we have created a database and create some tables, and we have entered some details to our tables. So in this video, we are going to learn something new about the create view option in the database. So same as the previous question, we have the same question here. So in our question, they are asking to create a database. So we have created our database in the earlier videos. So in our first question today, they are asking create with view to find registered customers at Aralia Shoe Center. Okay, now we have to create a view to find the registered customers. First of all, I will tell what is a view. View is something like a shortcut to find a specific data for a specific query statement. If you take like in HideSQL, here as you can see, if I change, first I will write and query to find the customers in my database. Here they are asking to find the registered customers at Aralia Shoe Center. Okay. In our table, as you can see, there is a table as user type. In this user type table, here you can see employee, customer, supplier. So in here, we have to find the customers in our database. Okay. In our user table, here you can see there is a column as user type ID. In here, you can see the user type IDs in here. From this table, we have to find the user type ID where equal to 2. That means these results you have to find. So now I am going to write a query to select the customers in the user type ID table. Here I have select all from the user table, where then I have used subqueries where user type ID in user type table where user type name equal customer. That means here I have searched the user type ID from the user type ID table where the name is customer. Then when I execute the query, here you will get all the details of the customers who are registered under our database. Okay, now I am going to create a view. So I am going to write create view. Then I have to enter a name to my view. I am going to name my view as registered customer. Customer as. Okay. Now I am going to execute the query. Here I have already executed the query. Therefore, this error will appear. Once you refresh the query and check the database, here you can get the view as like this. Here you can see red customer. When you click it, here you can get the query that you have written here. So view is like a shortcut to get the result of a specific query statement. Okay. In our second question, they are asking to create with view to find the details of more than 10 products with the brand name Bata. Okay, now we have to find a product name where quantity is greater than 10. First of all, in our GRN item table, here you can see our data. Here quantity column is here, and here is my product ID. So now I am going to write a query. Here I have select the product ID, then the product name, product description, brand name, quantity from the GRN item table as you watched earlier. Then I have inner join the product table on the product table on the GRN item using the product IDs. Then I have inner join the brand table on the product table using the brand IDs in the product and brand table. Then I have checked whether in my condition where the brand name is Bata. When I execute the query, before executing this, I am going to execute the query like here. I am going to delete this part. I am going to execute the query. Here you can get all the details where the quantity is greater than, where the brand name is Bata. Here you can see the Bata name. When I create a view and execute the query, here you can see that the query is, a view is created under the database. Here you can see the result here. Here details is my view name because I have created the view as details here. Okay, in our third question, they are asking find the name of the product with the highest selling price. Okay, now we have to find the maximum. So there we have to use the maximum function. Here I have select the product name from the product table, where the product ID in the GRN table, where selling price is the max. Here I have used subqueries. Here I have select the maximum from the GRN, maximum selling price from the GRN item table. When I execute the query, here you will get the result you wanted. In my last question, they are asking to find the name of the product in the lowest selling price. Okay, so as same as the previous question, you just have to change the max to min. Then when you execute the query, here you will get the result that you want. Okay, we have completed our question. Therefore, this is the end of the video. So if you have any question, leave a comment and don't forget to watch the previous videos. You can get a simply clear idea from the videos. So hope to see you again. Bye.